Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for October 11th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, it was another brutal day on Wall Street, and actually a brutal start to the fourth quarter for the U.S. markets as well as around the globe. Equities dropping, the Dow down another 545 points today. The S&P 500 was lower by 57 points, while the Nasdaq dropped 93 points, and the Russell was down another 30 points. So a big sell-off. And this actually looks a lot like that drop early in February back in here. And what resulted after that was some heavy volatility, a big spike in volatility. And that's where I think we're going next with this. And always remember that the one thing you can do in these environments to actually take advantage of volatility, because volatility usually carries risk. And if you are a swing trader or an investor, you hate volatility. But as a day trader, you should love volatility. So the one thing you can do to actually make this an advantage for you is lower your time frame. If you want to drop it down to a 15-minute, a 5-minute, even a 1-minute chart, and trade it on the lower time frames, you will see some very nice opportunities. Look at this. With the trend lower, just putting on a simple 20-period moving average. Once you have that slope in the direction of your trade, in the direction of that trend, all these minor pullbacks become opportunities. It can be very simple. You can use reversal signals along that 20 or even just a simple trend line. And every time you break out to new lows, okay, just mark those low pivots and take those breakouts. As long as you have that slope in that 20, there's some big opportunities along the way, some big drops throughout the day. And it doesn't have to be a 1 minute. Again, it can be a 5, it can be a 15-minute, it can be 30, it can be an hourly, whatever you want. There's a number of great opportunities in any given day. So you don't have to spend all day in front of the markets, but whenever you have a couple of hours, lower the time frame and pick off those entries. The bond market actually did go up today, dropping the yield on the 10-year note to 3.15, and yet we sold off. Not only that, crude oil continued to sell off. It was down over 2 points again, or almost 3%, and gold was the big beneficiary. There it is. A 34-point gain at the official close, or almost 3% to the upside. We will most likely continue to see this along the way. Now remember that tomorrow morning we do get some big earnings reports from the major banks, the likes of Citigroup, Wells Fargo, I believe, PNC bank reports tomorrow. So keep an eye on those futures before market open. But again, all of this should equal a bigger spike in volatility. So make it your friend, not your foe. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.